Today I have another important video for anybody who wants to get into e-commerce. I'll be comparing 3 popular approaches to building a Shopify dropshipping brand: general stores, niche stores, and one product stores. Now, if you're new to dropshipping, you might be wondering what these terms mean and which approach is right for you. So let's briefly go over them. First, let's talk about general stores. These are like the department stores of the dropshipping world. They offer a wide range of products catering to a broad audience. General stores provide the advantage of versatility, allowing you to explore various niches and product categories. However, their challenge lies in establishing a strong brand identity and targeting specific customer segments. On the other hand, niche stores are all about specialization. They focus on a specific product category or target a particular audience. This approach enables you to build a highly targeted customer base and develop a strong brand identity. However, it can be challenging to find the right niche, and competition might be fierce within a specialized market. Lastly, we have one product stores. As the name suggests, these stores revolve around a single product that's carefully chosen to capture attention and drive sales. The advantage here is laser-focused marketing, allowing you to position your product as the ultimate solution. However, the downside is that if your product loses its appeal or becomes saturated, your entire business model could be at risk. Now that we've explored the different approaches, let's dive into marketing strategies. We'll discuss how to leverage social media, influencer partnerships, and targeted advertising to maximize your reach and generate sales. But that's not all. Towards the end of this video, I'll share a few invaluable tips for launching a new dropshipping store regardless of the approach you choose. So if you're ready to level up your dropshipping game and discover which strategy is right for you, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming content. Get ready to take notes because this video is going to give you all the tools you need to get started. My name's Alex, and without wasting any more time, let's go over them in detail. Alright, choosing the right approach with Shopify dropshipping, which one is right for you? When starting a Shopify dropshipping business, one of the biggest decisions you'll make is whether to go with a niche store, a one product store, or a general store. Let's explore the pros and cons of each strategy and help you make the best choice for your business. Let's start off by talking about niche stores. The pros of running a niche store are typically higher conversion rates. You can establish authority and authenticity within your niche. You typically have lower advertising costs, and it's very easy to upsell products and increase your average order value by doing so. But the cons of running a niche store are less potential for scaling. You have a limited customer base, it's just the people within the actual niche, and it requires in-depth knowledge of the niche that you're selling in. If you guys are starting off with a niche store, some popular marketing strategies are targeted advertising like interest targeting on Facebook ads or TikTok ads, influencer marketing on any platform, SEO or search engine optimization, partnering with related businesses or blogs within your niche, or anything that's similar. Alright, moving over to the famous one product store. The pros of running a one product store are focused on one specific winning product that you guys have already validated through your research. You guys have higher customer trust and perceived value through all of the branding elements that you set up beforehand. And typically you have lower advertising costs, if any advertising costs at all, with one product stores, because you see a lot of TikTok organic where they're running one product stores on TikTok and just making a killing by doing so. And it's very easy to test that way. You guys don't have much upfront investment or really any risk when starting those businesses. You really just create a store, you order the product on Amazon, and you just start shooting content around it and wait for it to take off, or find the next winning product and do the same with that one. The cons of running a one product store are less potential for repeat customers, right? Because you have one winning product that you're selling, so the only way you can upsell customers are on quantity breaks where you get them to buy 2 or 3 or maybe even 5, 10 at a discount, depending on your product. But a lot of times you don't really have any similar products or any other products on your stores with a one product store. So it's very hard to get repeat customers unless your product is like a subscription product, or you can just, create unique targeted angles to just keep selling people on. But it can be risky if your product becomes saturated down the line, or if too many people jump on this trend, kind of push you out the door. And it can be difficult to scale without expanding your product line. So like I just said with those upsells, when your product starts becoming saturated down the line, you might want to rebrand your store a little bit, maybe even become a niche store if you have to. But you definitely want to start looking for similar products that you can sell to your existing customers. Marketing strategies for a one product store. are social media advertising, any of the big platforms, creating targeted landing pages and funnels, building an email list, and as always, using scarcity tactics to drive those sales. All right, last but not least, we have the general store, which is a very common favorite among beginner dropshippers. The pros of a general store are more flexibility and room for experimentation. You guys can find a lot more winning products this way. The more you test, the more you'll find. You have greater potential for long-term growth and scaling. You have a diverse product range that can attract a wider audience. The cons of a general store requires more investments and time and money. Reduced customer trust and perceived value compared to niche stores. It just looks, like some kind of junk store, like a dollar store with products thrown all over the place. Some people might find it scammy. A lot of times, what you're finding now in 2023 and just really marketing in general right now, are just a lot of people are burned out, gotten scammed off of Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And there's a lot less trust in brands. You're going to see that all over the place. You'll see comments on your ads like, never buy from Facebook. I got scammed. I got ripped off from some company. Or this comes from China. Guys, stay away, scam. You see that all over the place. Other drop shippers, when they don't pay attention to detail and really don't pay attention to logistics and building a good brand, they ruin it for the rest of you guys. But the last con for a general store, you guys have higher advertising costs and more competition, as a lot of people are testing the same products and creating very similar stores. A lot of times too, people are just going to completely copy your store. From the homepage to the product pages, people will download the app copy and literally just take everything that you've created. So you guys will find that very common in the dropshipping space. Competition is everywhere. You guys just always have to find ways to stay way ahead of them. But marketing strategies for a general store, getting back on track, you guys want to focus on branding and customer experience, providing excellent customer service, cross-promoting your products with upsells, using social media influencers for your promotions, email marketing, and all of that good stuff. All right, now I just want to offer you guys a few tips for launching your dropshipping store when you do find the right approach for your business. You guys obviously want to create a launch strategy beforehand. You want to set specific goals, choose the right timing, craft compelling launch content and promotion. You guys want to create a compelling brand story that you guys can tell over and over again to your potential customers. You guys want to set a budget, factoring product costs, advertising expenses depending on what platforms you guys want to use, Shopify fees, any dropshipping education to get you guys started, and all of the tools and resources required to start a Shopify dropshipping business. You guys can actually do it cheaper than ever right now. I have a $1 a month Shopify link that you guys can sign up for down below. I highly recommend doing so. Anyways, you guys want to optimize for SEO or search engine optimization, create a robust website content, use the right keywords, optimize your images, and improve your site speed and performance. Your customers will recognize this and you will be rewarded with sales as a result. All right, depending on your current situation and experience with dropshipping, which approach is right for you? A focused niche store is best for dropshippers with expertise, high quality suppliers, low capital investments, and it's possible to scale within a winning niche. A one product store is best for dropshippers with a winning product already picked out. Smaller product range, lower investments, unique selling proposition and marketing strategies. And a versatile general store is best for beginner dropshippers with a larger product range to test, low capital investment, but high competition. It's a flexible approach to product selection and marketing strategies, but it's overall best for testing. And the great thing about the general stores is you can take those products and create a one product store around it or a niche store around it once you guys find a winner, and you guys can start branding it that way. All right, now that you guys know the different strategies and how to get started, what are the next steps? Choosing the right approach for your Shopify dropshipping business is not just about weighing the pros and cons, but looking for a model that fits your passion, expertise, and current marketing skills. The next steps to put your knowledge in action are to start with a thorough product research strategy, build a branded store around that product, and evaluate your performance regularly. You guys can get started on Shopify, like I already said, for just $1 by clicking the link below. I hope this video helped you decide which kind of dropshipping store is right for you. If it did, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. I have quite a few resources linked for you in the description below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.